Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 4 English lesson number 6, Save Water. This is a poem. Students, as we know, Earth is the only known planet where we found water and life both. Water is very important for us and it is very limited. We should save it and conserve it. But it is seen that nowadays people are wasting water. We should not do that because we have to conserve it for our future. Let us see how people are wasting water. See this image. This boy is taking bath in shower and see so much water is wasted and tap is on and water is flowing. And see this boy, he is brushing teeth and tap is on. So see, so much wastage of water. See this woman, she is cleaning the steps, but she should use first broom or she should use a wet cloth. And this woman, she is washing clothes and tap is on and water is wasted. In this picture, this girl, she is not using pipe or hose to watering the plants. She is using a can. This is right. So, let us read the poem. Water, water all around, save every drop that can be found. Wasting water is not good, so you never should. Water, water all around. You know, 70% surface of earth is covered with water, but we have only 3% fresh water that can be consumed. So, we have to consume that water efficiently. We have to save every drop that can be found. We get water from lakes, rivers, rainwater, groundwaters, etc. So, we have to conserve every drop of water. Wasting water is not good. As we all know, wastage of water is not good. So, you never should. So, you should never waste water. See the image, save water, and rainwater should also be stored and used. Never let your taps run, turn them off as soon as you are done. Don't waste time in the shower, your harvested water should be used on a flower. Never let your taps run, taps as we know stopcock, and you are done means you have finished, means don't let your taps run and turn it off when you have finished your work. For example, when you are brushing your teeth or washing your hands, turn off the tap when it is not in use. Understand? Don't waste time in the shower. Waste means to use unnecessarily. Your harvested water should be used on a flower. Harvested means collected. Don't waste time in the shower. In shower, lots of water is wasted. We should take bath with a bucket. Fill the bucket with water and take bath with that. In shower, we waste so much water. So, don't waste time in the shower. If you want to take shower, take a small time shower, okay? Your harvested water should be used on a flower, means in bathroom and kitchen, we have some water which is used before. So, we should reuse that water for watering the plants. Wash your car in the rain, so not as much water will go down the drain. Drain means to flow away. Use a little brick in the toilet when you flush so the water won't go down in a gush. Gush means fast flow. Wash your car in the rain. See, when you wash your car, lot of water is wasted. So, whenever there is rain, wash your car. So, not as much water will go down the drain. Drain means to flow away so that not much water is wasted. Use a little brick in the toilet when you flush so the water won't go down in a gush. In toilet, when we use flush, lot of water gets wasted. So, use that properly. You must realize water is good. So, save as everyone knows, we should. You must realize water is good. As we all know, water is important for us, water is good. So, save as everyone knows, we should. So, we have to save water and we should told others also to save water by using some tips. For example, turn off the tap when it is not in use. If there is any leakage, repair it, and don't water plant if it is not necessary. Water plants in morning. So, save water, save life. This was your poem. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.